In this video we will be discussing the best coffee tables the internet has to offer. We made sure to focus on design, value, and quality so you can feel confident in decorating your home or office space. We avoid listing prices in our video, as they can change, so be sure to check the links in the description below for pricing and availability. All thoughts and opinions expressed in this video are unique to the Amazon Sherpa Group. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask in the comments section below.
Welcome and thank you for joining us. We hope our research and videos can help you make informed shopping decisions. You can find links to all the products in the description below.
To start this episode's list, we are going to kick things off with the best smart coffee table. For this, we chose the Primst Smart Refrigerator Coffee Table. Equipped with a mini fridge, built-in Bluetooth speaker, smart touch control interface, height adjusting control, and charging station, this beast of a fridge has it all. Its features challenge the norm when it comes to coffee tables, and while it does come with a hefty price tag, this device can take care of all of your entertainment needs. The built-in refrigerator has two 65-liter drawers that keeps fruits, drinks, and snacks cool and ready for any occasion. Dual Bluetooth speakers deliver enhanced sound and bass, making it perfect for surround sound movies, listening to tunes, or setting the mood for the party. Control it all from the table's touchscreen glass top, with no app download required. This speaker comes designed with integrated metal mesh, anti-knock design, and efficient thermal dissipation to prevent overheating. The coffee table also features an eco-energy saving mode as well as child locks for the fridge. Doubling as a charging station with USB charging ports and outlets, you can conveniently charge your tablet, cell phone, laptop, or any accessory. As the overall energy consumption is minimal, you don't have to worry about it running up your electricity bill. The durable tempered glass top is both scratch and high temperature resistant. Primst promises free replacement for any damages caused during transportation or with any system operation or compressor failure. Though expensive, this futuristic, all-inclusive coffee table sets the bar for functionality and looks. Please see the link below for pricing and availability. Next is our pick for the best value coffee table. For this, we chose the Yahi Tech Lift Top. If you plan to get a coffee table but are concerned about the size of your room, then this lift top coffee table might be your best bet to make the most of your space. Beautiful and practical, this table is designed with a lift top that can be easily adjusted to a comfortable height, making dining, writing, or using your laptop easier while relaxing on the couch. The tabletop can be effortlessly lifted up to create a workspace when sitting on your sofa. The high-quality metal mechanism enables the tabletop to be lifted up or lowered down easily and without noise. A hidden storage compartment beneath the top is designed to store your often-used items like books, board games, game controllers, and more underneath, keeping them handy and dust-free. The contemporary look is simple in shape and chic in color, which can be seamlessly compatible with your room decor. It can be a practical accent coffee table in the living room, office, reception room, or limited space. Next is our pick for the best contemporary-style coffee table. For this, we chose the Tankula Lift Top Coffee Table. Made of solid wood and metal, the Tankula coffee table features large storage room with 3 divided storage designs, which can accommodate your books, board games, and more. This coffee table is made entirely of high-quality wood with metal components, giving you confidence in its durability for years of use. The coffee table's innovative design offers a hidden compartment and lift tabletop that can be adjusted vertically from 19 inches to 24.5. Additional storage is also provided underneath. Made of healthy materials with a functional lift top design, this piece of furniture features a waterproof surface and solid wood frame. You can trust this well-built, long-lasting, and sleek contemporary coffee table to provide both appeal and function. Next is our choice for the best mid-century modern coffee table. For this we chose Best Choice Products MCM Coffee Table. Crafted with an open design and a natural wood grain finish, this living room centerpiece features a subtle textured feel and a mid-century modern appearance, offering a simple yet fashionable charm in any living room. 3 open points for access make it easy to store and grab items such as movies, magazines, and board games, or decorate the space with a small plant or storage tray. Place a television on this wooden table for the perfect entertainment center, or accentuate the center of the living room for a cup of coffee in the mornings or board game nights with family and friends. Made of durable engineered wood with angled pine wood legs, this stable surface withstands a capacity of up to 110 pounds. The table's smooth material and open interior allow for easy wiping to help maintain its clean look for years to come. Next is our choice for a modern coffee table. For this, we chose the Welland Natural Edge coffee table. Welland specializes in natural wood products that are unique in many ways. This live edge coffee table is made of 100% solid cedar wood slabs sourced from sustainable tree roots. Every piece of wood is carefully selected and carved into natural shapes by Welland's skilled woodmakers. This piece of art will fit into your mid-century modern or rustic style home. It is the perfect combination of art and nature, made with exquisite craftsmanship that will bring warmth and lighten any space. Each table is constructed with reclaimed cedar stumps and sturdy metal hairpin legs with an easy care natural lacquer finish. The essence and original characteristic of root artwork is the combination of practicality and aesthetics, which can meet people's practical living needs while providing an artistic appeal. This cedar coffee table can be placed in the living room, bedroom, entrance, hallway, or window side to liven up your space instantly. Next is our favorite pick for a glass coffee table. For this, we chose the Soho coffee table. It features a generous faux white marble top surface for enjoying a drink or two while watching TV. The tempered glass sides catch the eye and make this table a sparkling addition to any room. This decorative yet practical coffee table has a convenient stylish bottom shelf for plenty of added display and storage and will provide years of enjoyment. Easy to assemble, affordably priced, and aesthetically pleasing in any setting, makes this an ideal pick to furnish your living room. Next on the list is our favorite pick for a rustic farmhouse coffee table. For this, we chose the signature Aldwin Square coffee table from Ashley Furniture. Double up on form and function with this square coffee table with storage. Its dual-lid tabletop provides easy access to the roomy storage space. Crafted with solid pine wood and treated to a weathered gray finish, this generously scaled coffee table is rustic farmhouse living at its best. Pine wood makes a stunning debut with this coffee table. The generous scale gives it a signature look in any room, whether it's for breakfast or movie night. The table is made of pine veneers, pine wood, and engineered wood. Designed with crossbuck details, metal bracket accents, and a two-sided hinged lift top with stay arms. The weathered gray finish accentuates rustic farmhouse styling beautifully. Between the crossbuck details and roomy storage inside, you'll undoubtedly love its modern perks. Last on our list, but certainly not least, is the best overall. For this, we chose the signature design Vailbeck Farmhouse Lift Top Coffee Table with storage. For those with an eye for the best in rustic farmhouse living, the two-tone Vailbeck Square coffee table doubles up on form and function. A clever split-style design pairs a spring lift top with a hinged lid, revealing a handy storage compartment. Designer touches include plank effect styling, distress marks, and industrial brackets for added character. Measuring 36 inches wide, 36 inches deep, and 18 inches tall, this table looks great set in both small and large living room spaces. Made with pine veneers, wood, and engineered wood, the clever split-style design pairs a spring lift top with a hinged lid, revealing a handy storage compartment. You'll love how the black and wood contrast creates visual interest that shows off the tried and true farmhouse in your home. The lift top design provides additional storage for catch-alls and daily items. Easy-to-follow instructions, tools, and hardware are included. Ashley Furniture goes the extra mile to package, protect, and deliver your purchase in a timely manner. This wraps up our collection of our favorite coffee tables. Which of our picks were your favorite? Do you have any of the coffee tables we talked about in this episode? Is there anything you would add to our list, or any changes you would make? Please be sure to share your opinions in the comments section below, and let us know what products you think we should review next.
Thank you again for joining us. We hope that you found our video valuable and informative. Our hope is to help you cut through the noise and make informed shopping decisions. Please be sure to share your opinion in the comments section below and let us know what products you think we should review next. If you like what we're doing and want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.